Hello, today I'm gonna make for you raisin curried rice. You can also use currants. So you just put this to soak for about 30 minutes. The ingredients are 1/2 cup to 1 cup of soaked raisins, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 to 3 cups of cooked rice, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Okay, put a pot to hot and put up the stove's gauge on 4. Add the curry. After 30 seconds, add the oil. And half a diced onion. I didn't say that, but allow this to hot. Just allow this to hot for 30 seconds. 30 seconds to a minute. After that, add the diced onion. Just allow that to saute for 30 seconds. After 1 minute, add the rice. So the gauge should be on 4. Immediately cook rice. Stove's gauge is still on 4. Okay, if you were using cold rice, you would cover this and allow it to simmer on low and very low for about 5 minutes. But if you just cooked the rice like I just did, you can turn this off. This is a nice rice. I cooked it before. That's why I'm doing it now for you guys. And I'm putting it under the category of Rastafarian food, but this can be anybody's type of food. And you can also use brown rice. Surprisingly, this is a nice meal. You can eat it just like this. Raisins. Let me give it a... I didn't think that raisins could work with rice, but this work. Alright, now I'm gonna taste this thing for you. my raisin curried rice. Raisin curried rice. Surprisingly, this really tastes nice. I tend to use reeling a lot, but it does taste good. Or it do taste good, whatever the proper grammar is. Okay, let's try this thing. It's like a cake. Number one, it feels good in my mouth. It feels good in my mouth. Raisin is nice. I'm trying to think what to say. I was gonna say it has a clean taste, but everything I cook have a clean taste. You don't taste the rice as much. It's like the combination is like a taste of its own. That's the only thing I can say, and that's the only thing I must say. It's lovely. It's a new way to eat rice.